All right, good morning, everybody. It is travel day. We are fixing to head down to Galveston. But before we can go, we do have to stop here at the CVS and get our pre-cruise COVID tests. So we're going to go over here, get in the drive-thru line, get those tests done. We'll show you that whole process. And that way you guys can see what is involved in case you haven't had to do one yet. So let's go take a COVID test.
Thank you for choosing CVS Pharmacy. Hello, are you here for COVID testing or prescription pickup?
We have COVID tests today.
Okay, perfect. I'll be right there.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So first part of the test, obviously really simple. Drive up to the drive-thru, let them know you're here.
All right, morning, guys. How are y'all doing today?
Doing good. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks for asking. All right, so I'm getting signed in here. While that's loading, have you guys done this test before?
I have. She hasn't.
Okay, no worries. We're going to go over everything, make sure everybody feels comfortable. Right now, it's still about the 1 to 3 days for test results. It's the PCR test, and you're going to be doing the self-swab nasal test. Okay, so you'll be testing yourself.
Yes.
Awesome. Just for a quick refresher, the way that the test works is that we give you each a test bag. There's going to be a test tube and a Q-tip in there. On the test tube, there's going to be like a barcode with your name and date of birth. If you'll just make sure that everybody gets the correct one. From there, once you verify that, you can begin. On the Q-tip, there's a small little notch right about here. That's the furthest that you want to go. You just want to insert your thumbnail into there. That's going to be your stopping point for the test. All you want to do, use the same Q-tip for both nostrils. Start on your right side. We're very gently going to insert all the way to the fingertips and then quickly scrape 4 times in a circle. Take it out, repeat the same on the left side. After that, you can twist off the top of the test tube, insert the Q-tip U-side down, and then break off that top portion of that same little notch. From there, twist the lid back on. You'll drop your test tube back into your bag, and then just pinch the top closed. And that's it. And then we'll hand both back to you, sir, and then you'll just drop it off right here in this white box of lacquer. And that's it. That's the test. Now, for your test results, for you, sir, since you've already done this before, it might have your MyChart already linked to your profile. You just use that same one. For you, ma'am, since this is your first time, it's going to generate an email when I get you all checked in. It's going to have some instructions on how to set up a MyChart profile. That's where you get your test results from LabCorp. That's the only way to get them, unfortunately. So please make sure you have that signed up within the next 24 hours so you don't miss your test results if they come early.
Okay.
But yes. And then I'll verify your email and everything too. All right. And then can I get your first and last?
So this process is super, super easy, super, super fast. And they're super, super friendly about it. And yes, I do sound a little bit funny this morning. Got a little bit of scratch in my throat. Don't feel bad, don't feel sick, don't feel anything, but I've had some allergy drainage the last couple of days, and just woke up this morning and sound extra funny. So don't worry, it's not the audio, it's me.
Alrighty, here's your test.
This one's whose?
Alright, so if you pull out the 2 orange bags,
Oh, I see.
and then if you look at the test tube, they have y'all's like name.
That one's yours, this one's mine.
Okay. All right. So,
And then if you need anything, just holler at me.
alrighty. So you got to check and make sure everything on your test tube is correct. Okay. But don't open your test tube. And then you take your cotton swab. Unless you're retarded like me and can't open it. Alright, I'm making this look way more difficult than it really is. And you hold it up the thing. them up. Seal them up.
Alright.
Alrighty.
You're going to do that for y'all and then y'all can drop them in there. Alright, so in there.
Yeah, I just don't want to run you over on accident.
That's the first time right there for me. You give me solid, right?
There we go.
Thanks, guys.
Alright, thank you. Get ready. Alright, y'all do the same. Alright, and that is it for taking
Turn left onto South Walnut Avenue, then turn right onto West County Line Road.
GPS. Alright, and that is it for taking the COVID-19 test. Done, swab, turn it in. She did say 1 to 3 days. So, but we do have a rapid test scheduled for Monday morning just as a backup in case we don't get our results in time. But now we're going to go ahead and start the drive to Galveston.